Okay, so now I have installed the PTC heater behind here, and here's power. It's a thick gauge wire I have from full heat, which is this switch here, and other switch you can, oops, that one shouldn't be. I don't know if you can see it now, but there's a switch. There's a switch which will be latched when there's full defrost up to the windscreen. So now I'm gonna put all this together and start to find out connection points. Also, actually here is ground wire for the PTC heater. So I will put the dashboard back. Okay.